OSIRIS-Rex is a NASA asteroid study and sample return mission. The mission's primary goal is to obtain a sample of at least 60 grams from Bennu, a near-Earth asteroid, and return the sample to Earth for a detailed analysis. OSIRIS-Rex was launched on September 8, 2016 on the workhorse Atlas V, flew past Earth on September 22, 2017, and rendezvoused with Bennu on December 3, 2018. On October 20, 2020, OSIRIS-Rex touched down on Bennu and successfully collected a sample. NASA is confident that they were able to retain between 400 grams and over 1 kilogram of sample material, well in excess of the 60 grams minimum target mass. After completing its Bennu flyby, OSIRIS-Rex has begun its journey back to Earth and will reach here in September 2023. On May 5, 2021, Starship SN-15, the fifth Starship prototype equipped with 3 Raptor engines, completed a test flight to 10 kilometers, successfully landed, and was recovered. This came after 4 of its predecessor prototypes failed to stick the landing. It is a major milestone on the path of lowered spaceflight cost, which SpaceX are the pioneers of. When completed successfully, Starship will be the largest flying machine in the sky that ever existed, standing tall at around 120 meters, higher than Saturn V, which boosted humans to the moon. Fully stacked Starship and Super Heavy booster will have 36 Raptors, with the booster having 30 of those, producing more than 72 meganewtons of thrust. The Emirates Mars mission is a United Arab Emirates Space Agency uncrewed space exploration mission to Mars. The Hope orbiter was launched on July 19, 2020 on top of a Japanese rocket and reached Mars on February 9, 2021. The mission design, development, and operations are led by the Mohammed bin Rashid Space Center, MBRSC. The space probe will study daily and seasonal weather cycles, weather events in the lower atmosphere such as dust storms, and how the weather varies in different regions of the planet. This is also special because the United Arab Emirates became the first Arab country, and the 5th country to reach Mars and the 2nd country to successfully enter Mars orbit on its first try, India being the first with its 2014 Mars orbiter mission. Tianwen-1 is an interplanetary mission by the China National Space Administration, CNSA, to send a robotic spacecraft to Mars, consisting of an orbiter, deployable camera, lander and the Zhurong rover. It was the first time a nation successfully launched all 3 of the said equipments to Mars. The spacecraft carries 13 scientific instruments. It is the first in a series of planned missions undertaken by CNSA, as part of its Planetary Exploration of China program. China has become a dominant space force in the recent times with their recent successes, such as landing rover on the far side of the moon. Later China sent yet another craft to the moon. It scooped up nearly 4 pounds of rocks and soil and brought them back to Earth, making its own space station in low Earth orbit, and now Tianwen-1 and Zhurong rover. It's great to see the rising competition in space race. Perseverance is a car-sized Mars rover designed to explore the Jezero crater on Mars as part of NASA's Mars 2020 mission. It launched on July 30, 2020 on top of the Atlas V. The rover successfully landed on Mars on February 18, 2021. As of May 25, 2021, Perseverance has been active on Mars for 93 sols, 96 Earth days, since its landing. We were lucky enough that we got to see its landing footage, the first time ever. The rover carries 7 scientific instruments, of which MOXIE is an interesting one. It converts Martian carbon dioxide to pure oxygen, also a first. It also carries Ingenuity, a mini helicopter which we will talk about in a moment. The rover's goals include identifying ancient Martian environments capable of supporting life, seeking out evidence of former microbial life existing in those environments, Also traveling with Perseverance is the Mars helicopter experiment named Ingenuity. It is demonstrating flight stability in the Martian atmosphere and the potential to scout for ideal driving routes for the rover over its planned 30 Martian day, 31 Earth day experimental flight test window. It should be noted that achieving controlled flight in Mars is a tough ask because Martian atmosphere is only 30% as thick as on Earth, so drones' blades have to make more revolutions per minute. First takeoff was attempted on April 19, 2021, and since then it has flown 4 more times and gearing up for its 6th flight, possibly on May 26. It is the first powered flight on another planet and surely won't be the last. Well, this wraps up the amazing space moments in 2021 so far. It sure was a wonderful first half and left us even more excited for what's next to come. Leave a like if you liked the video and comment below with your thoughts. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next one.